From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming January 15th trading session. In front of you, I have the dollar CAD, and you can see we have a negative day going on in Wednesday. We tried to break out above 120 and we failed. We came back and we formed, it's a bit of a stretch to call it a shooting star, but that's kind of what it is. Not a big surprise, though, really, for me. I recognize that 120 is a huge number psychologically. It's a pretty resistive number on the charts anyway. And on top of that, we are starting to accelerate the uptrend. So what do you do in a situation like this? There's two different ways I would play this. If we can break above the top of the shooting star, that shows we get another impulsive move higher. It's my least favorite way to play this, but I would buy it because at that point in time you kind of have to. But on the other hand, you can look at any pullback as potential value in the dollar. Think of the dollar as going on sale. I would love to see a pullback to 118. I don't know if we'll go that far, but that would be a very nice place to see the market drop. We could even, for that matter, go down to 116, which I don't have marked in a line, but it's basically this right here, and find support as well. I would love to see something along the lines of that. However, as the market drops, and if we form a supportive candle, I'm going to take what I can get. This pair does tend to be very impulsive. It'll go sideways forever and then just shoot straight up in the course of a couple weeks. Reason being is that the two economies are so intertwined. Canada sends 85% of its exports into the U.S., so when the U.S. does poorly, initially Canada may do fairly well, but at the end of the day, the Americans are by far the biggest customer. If you own a store, your customer is broke, they're not buying things from you, that doesn't bode well for you in the future either. So they're very tied together. We'll buy the breakout to the upside. Least favorite way to play it, though, because we are overextended. But, at the same time, such is life. You don't always get the setup you want. Pullbacks, supportive candles are buying opportunities as well.